Sammy's chewing a stick. His favorite pastime activity. He's almost 5 years old. He's AKC. He's a great pup. Really, really good boy. It's my first golden I've ever had. I had a lab for years and years, a big English lab before him, and when he was getting ready to check out, I got this pup from a local breeder. Actually, he came from Pennsylvania as well, did his brothers and sisters. And I saw him in a stall with 2 other pups, and I asked the breeder, I said, which one's the little boy? And he was getting stumped on by his 2 sisters. And he was the last last boy of the litter. So I got him years ago, and he's been a very, very good boy. How about looking this way for the camera? You bonehead. Can I have that sticky? Can Daddy have that sticky? Hmm? Long nose. Big nose. Alright, we'll put you on YouTube. Anything else today, Sam? Hmm? Pretty boy? He says, I'm going to get back to work and chew my stick. He says, any comments, please leave them. Let me know what you think. You like my technique? Chew and spit?